Hello everyone, this is Abrar. Let's take a time machine and travel 50 years in the future and see what the world is like. It's the world that is in total war with no end in sight. The cause behind this war is simple: oil and other energy sources. Everyone is fighting over those last few reserves of those energy sources. How can this future be prevented? The answer is not that hard. We just have to start using alternative energy sources. Some alternative energy sources such as solar power, wind power has the potential to become the main supply of energy and replace those harmful forms of power generation. If we start using renewable energy, it will help reducing greenhouse gas emission by a lot. It can reduce the use of fossil fuels, which are major sources of carbon dioxide emission, and make our environment clean and healthy. I have done a lot of extensive research about this topic, and this will convince you that we need to start using alternative energy sources more to save our future. Energy is one of the most important input for economic growth and development. It's crucial for each sector of the economy, such as households, industry, agriculture. On the other hand, a decrease in energy consumption can affect the development process directly or indirectly. On average, the flow in the world energy demand is steadily increasing due to economic development and population growth. According to World Energy Statistics 2019, oil consumption rose by 1.4 million barrels per day, driven mainly by the growth of the developing world. Coal is the second major source of energy globally, and its demand increased by 1.4% in 2018, which is twice over 10 years ago. More energy sources are getting close to extinct. If this keeps happening over time, we will not have enough energy for our future. In order to fix this problem, we have to start using renewable energy more and more. Most renewable energy sources produce little to no global warming emission. Increasing the supply of renewable energy would allow us to replace carbon intensive energy sources and reduce global warming emissions significantly. According to a 2009 UCS analysis, by 2025, National Renewable Energy Standard would lower power plant carbon dioxide emission by 277 million metric ton annually. In addition, a groundbreaking research by US Department of Energy National Renewable Energy Laboratory (NREL) explored the feasibility of getting 80% of the country's electricity from renewable sources by 2050. They found that renewable energy could help reduce the electricity sector's emission by approximately 81%. I can see myself enjoying the benefit of taking action. The comparison is clear when you look at the numbers on the graph. Burning natural gas for electricity releases between 0.6 and 2 pounds of carbon dioxide per kilowatt hour. Coal emits between 1.4 and 3.6 pounds of carbon dioxide emission per kilowatt hour. On the other hand, wind is responsible for only 0.02 to 0.04 pounds of carbon dioxide emission per kilowatt. Solar is 0.07 to 0.2, and hydroelectric is between 0.1 and 0.5. Also, renewable electricity generation from biomass can have a wide range of global warming emission depending on the resources and whether it is not sustainably sourced and harvested. Undoubtedly, the world must accelerate its transition to renewable energy. It is vital to start now. The longer the wait, the less benefit are reaped. We must stop using fossil fuels and using the more alternative energy. Renewable energy is one of the solutions we have for both climate change and air pollution health issues. Also, stopping climate change and gas emissions in its track would also lead to more health benefits. Alternative energy options are the best option to solve environment problems. It is best for everyone to use more renewable energy and less fossil fuels. For our own good, we all should stop using fossil fuels and start using alternative energy sources that are renewable.